Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So Reddit is an incredible source of information if you know how to cut through the noise, but let's be really honest, scrolling through Reddit's feed can be overwhelming. Memes, arguments, reposts, problems, and buried somewhere, there is the actual valuable content you want to see. What if you could pull posts from specific subreddits directly into Feedly, right alongside your news articles and even blogs? So according to Feedly's official documentation again, you absolutely can. Feedly supports following Reddit feeds natively. The best part is, it's incredibly simple. You don't need to find any RSS feed or use any workarounds. Just make sure to copy the subreddit link and Feedly does the rest. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through all of these steps, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, make sure you open your device, you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. Open Feedly and log in. It's time now to basically go through this plus button and go all the way to Reddit here. As for now, you can easily connect to Reddit or even see a tutorial about it. Connect to Reddit to follow searches, communities, and your personal Reddit feed. So Feedly will recognize basically all of the information, would give you your whole Reddit section into basically this small screen. You can also try to add the subreddit by a link if you really want to try it. And that's it. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.